This is a look at the underside of my taps. If you look there, I think you can see I put some tape onto the tap. I've tightened up the retaining nut here. I'm about to start tightening up that nut as well, so that should then complete the work on the bar. On the other side you can see a tap, I think you can perhaps just see already in place, but I've done earlier. That's my light. I've harnessed ordinary lamp to give me some light. And now what I want to just point out to you is that you should really use PTFE tape, which is also called plumber's tape, and that does help in ensuring the tap seals up okay and doesn't leak. And the other thing I want to show you is this is called a Stilson wrench. This is actually a German one by Steinhadler, and it's quite old, but you really have to use one of these, because anything else doesn't really have the amount of play that you need to get onto the nut. And also this particular one is a small one. You can get Stilsons at about 3 or 4 inches longer than this, and you can't use them in confined space underneath the bath. You just can't use them. So those are the taps I've got in place, and job will soon be